Wagwan. So day 2 was hectic, but me do enough things. Me buy some ackee on the roadside, me buy patty, me go eat some jerk chicken. Then me go home, go bed and sleep. But that's how things said when we go to Jamaica. We don't have a whole lot of time, so we have to make the most of every day, you know. Make as much rounds as we can make, get as much things as we can get done in a day. Because in no time, a time for pack up and go back afar and get back on the work. So me I go town today go get some business done. So I'm on my way. I'm on the highway. Big, pretty, beautiful highway. Jamaica's come a long way in the last 2 decades. Man, look on the pretty road them. Yeah, yeah.